Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Breaking news. uJulius Malema bamthole necala is found guilty ekhasini esineminyaka ehamba esigamekweni esenzeka ngo-2018 ngesikhathi benerally. Ukukukhumbuza nje nokubuyela emumva kancane ukuthi leli cala bekwalona elani, ngicela ubone la. Forum yabisivula icala emveni kwalesigameko nje umbone ethathele isibhamu wadubula phezulu. Into ababi-argue court, uJulius Malema wathi lesi akusona isibhamu sangempela ngoba ke ngokomthetho ngathi kulicala ukuthatha inhlamvu ikhombe phezulu ngoba ngokwesayensi ispeed inhlamvu ephuma ngasiya phezulu ispeed ezobuya ngaso okungenzeka idala umonakalo kwenye indawo okungenzeka ithakhanda ubungozi. Kodwa ngesikhathi kwakukhulunywa uJulius Malema argument yakhe wathi lesi kwangesona isibhamu sangempela. Kukhulunyiwe ke enkantolo njengoba ngithi nje leli cala la ngo-2018 na 7 years lokhu lahanjwa. Kodwa nje kusube silindele ukuthi inkantolo lase East London izokhipha isinqumo ngomsombuluko. Lo mama wafunda isikhathi eside, lwesibili wafunda isikhathi eside, namuhla ke uze wakhipha ijudgment yakhe. Ngicela ukucaphunela ijudgment uze ukuthi uthini.
The proved facts should be such that they exclude every reasonable inference from them save the one sought. In this instance, the question or the pertinent question then remains whether the court can infer based on the reasons placed on record, including the evidence that it had dealt with over the last 2 days, whether such inference can be made. And the court finds as follows. Indeed, the inference sought is supported by all the facts contained as per the evidence presented in court, and therefore the following findings are made. You may stand up, accused 1 and 2. Accused 1, in respect of counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you are found guilty as charged. Accused 2, Mr. Snyman, in respect of counts 4 and 6, you are found not guilty and discharged. You may be seated. Okay. At this point, the court will then just... Is there something you wanted to place on record?
Yes. Ngobuzuleke inkantolo ibisinquma ukuthi isigwebo sabo izosikhipha noma sakhe phela uJulius Malema buyena otholakale eguilty la. Isigwebo sakhe izosikhipha ngomhla ka-27 kuJanuary if I'm not mistaken, kodwa khona ngoJanuary ngomhla ka-27. Uyabona ukuprove ukuthi asilingani ngamalungelo. Kube bekuomunye umuntu ngabe ushone phansi emgodini. Kodwa ke ngoba ilabantu laba abakhulu unikwa nedate ukuthi uzosentenzwa nini akaphuma ekhaya. Phumile kuJulius Malema emveni kwayo yonke lento esiyenzekile nale mphumelo. Bethe izolo uzokhuluma namuhla whether guilty or not, kodwa uzoaddressa icrowd okuyiyona ephumile ngobuningi bayo supporter lapha, uzokhuluma nawo namuhla. Ngizokucaphunela lawo mavideo, ngizocaphuna uMashali Dlamini uze ukuthi utheni, ngicaphuna uJulius Malema uze ukuthi utheni, bese siyayivala le video ngoba inhloso yami bekukwazisa ukuthi uJulius Malema ecaleni elavulwa i-AfriForum emveni kokuba idubulele sasibhamu phezulu, inkantolo imthole enecala.
Irela bhulukazi elingaphathanga ubungqina la ithethe into ebeliyithetha litheke xa lithetha lathi umuntu owahamba nomongameli lo ekuthiwa uyena owayephethe umpu owawunikeza umongameli uyayivindaba umuntu wathiwa umongameli akanatyala. Umuntu owayephethe umgu ethona kumongameli akanatyala. Kodwa unase kufika kumongameli ngoba bebevele befuna umongameli wethu ukuthi bazomfumana enetyala apha. Bathi bamfumana enetyala yena kodwa basixelela ukuthi kanjani nokuthi umuntu wafika kanjani esandleni sakhe. So akuyona ke into ezasiphazamisa eFighters. So isigwebo sale Bhulukazi lo mlungu oracist lapha ufumene umongameli enetyala. Uthi unetyala lokuthi wayephethe umpu ngalesa sikhathi sine rally in Sisatukwashe Stadium. So size apha nomongameli sinicela ukuthi noba kwenzekeli umongameli sihamba naye namhlanje bethanda bengathanda. So sifuna umcelela Fighters la kumongameli niyambona umongameli sihamba naye sibuyela pha eGauteng ewini bathikisela house akho umuntu ozathitha umongameli including amapolisa lalela Bhulukazi. No one will touch him. He's our president.
They've been looking for me. They were not looking for accused number 2. They were just playing games, and today they came out openly. As a revolutionary, going to prison or death is a badge of honor. We cannot be scared of prison. We cannot be scared to die for the revolution. So whatever they want to do, they must know we will never retreat from the ideas and the 7 cardinal pillars of the EFF. And the center of those is to expropriate land without compensation. So comrades, you must not be deterred. We live here highly determined. We are going to fight this up until the Constitutional Court. We are coming on the 23rd of January for sentencing, and after sentencing, we will immediately put an appeal so that we can go to the higher court because we think a judgment is faulty. The strategy has always been you must try to charge Malema with everything. One day, maybe we'll find a racist judge who will find him guilty, whether he's guilty or not. Because they said accused number 2 gave me the firearm. Now they are releasing him, which means he didn't give me the firearm. Why are you not releasing me when you release a person you allege gave me the firearm? By releasing accused number 2, the whole case should have collapsed. But the racist was looking for me, and that's why they could not collapse the case for racist reason, to appease the AfriForum, to appease the Oval Office of Donald Trump, to appease all the white supremacists of South Africa who want to undermine the dignity and the struggle of black people. So fighters, we should not be discouraged. We should continue to fight because this fight will not end today. We are going to the appeal and we will go to the Supreme Court. We'll end up at the Constitutional Court. We are not fighting the case. We are fighting racism, pure racism that we have been subjected to for 7 years. Mediocrity of the highest order. A magistrate who can read her own notes. She writes down and can read what she has written down. But if it was an African female reading the same way she was reading, it will be a huge criticism out there. But because it's white and we accept white mediocrity, there is no outcry and criticism out there. We want to take this opportunity to thank our legal team. They fought a good fight. They stood with us, and as we move forward, we are going to reinforce that legal team. We'll bring Advocate Mugai Tovi as we go into the appeal and strengthen our case, because it is now beyond all of us. We need to strengthen our team and confront the system, and you need lawyers who are not scared of the system.
Nankulumo ke le ayishilo mayikhuluma nama fighters abephumila yo support uCIC Julius Malema. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo landela. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ucomment, ulike. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember iqala ku-R40 ngenyanga kuya phezulu. Ungasupporta futhi ukusdonatela. Ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo landelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.